This new complete InfraWorks-centric bridge design workflow provides infrastructure teams with seamless data flow between the various products and disciplines within the bridge design process and the wider infrastructure project. At the conceptual stage, both the road designer and the bridge designer will work in InfraWorks identifying the best routes and initial bridge design through various optioneering iterations. This data can then be published and consumed by Civil 3D, where the road designer can start to solidify the road design. The road designer can then start to produce the necessary road documentation and at any time send the developed road design back to InfraWorks to further aid the development of the bridge design during the following design stages. The bridge designer will be progressing the bridge design with the updated road data and can republish the bridge data, which can again be consumed by Civil 3D, but also by Revit, where the bridge designer can start to develop the necessary bridge documentation, including drawings, schedules, and bills of materials for the preliminary and final design stages. During the bridge modelling process, there may be a requirement for custom bridge parts if novel geometry is encountered. This can be developed in Inventor and used to expand the InfraWorks bridge system. At the later design stages, the bridge engineer can also receive the bridge data from InfraWorks to develop full grillage or finite element bridge models and develop the necessary calculations to fully verify the bridge design. The wider scope of this complete workflow can provide not only the bridge designer, but also the wider infrastructure team with efficiency gains and better design outcomes by providing seamless data connection during the multiple design iterations typical for this type of complex infrastructure project.